I never meant to say I love you. I never meant to lead you on. But sometimes pride can get the best of me and drag the rest of me along. We leave behind the stains of battle. We count the dead and grieve the loss. A civil war without a victor. I never really cared about the loss. If there's a town beyond the sky where they greet you by and by, I will stay down here and hide. No, I will never meet you in the light. I found the door that leads to nothing. I crossed the threshold once or twice, but there was nothing in the nothingness, not just the absence of light. There was a whisper in the shadows, and there was writing on the wall. And soon the curtains had been drawn apart. I braced my body for the fall. If there's a town beyond the sky where they greet you by and by, I will stay down here and hide. No, I will never meet you in the light. Please forgive me if I'm broken. It wasn't you who lit the spark. I've glued the pieces back together as many times as I've fallen apart. If there's a town beyond the sunrise, I hope they let you through the door. But me, I'm walking down the darker road. At least I know what lies in store.
Alone here with you, there's nowhere else I'd want to be. You have love in your smile, and you know that I'd be lost without you. The words that you say change my thoughts in every way. I see love all the time, and it's you who keeps me in line. just love. You don't judge. Oh, I love everything about you. Gentle in reproach, always kind and letting go. You're the queen that brings relief. Yes, it's you who keeps me in line. I love the way you make me feel all of the time. I love the way you make things seem alright all of the time. Moment of time introduced us, brought us together, and now we're in love. I love the way you make me feel all of the time. I like the way you make things seem alright all of the time.